Hey guys, Assalamu alaikum. It's me, the Minecraft learner of German, and today I'm continue with the pronunciation that is Aussprache on basic level and some other pronunciation rules that are followed in German. If you cope up with this in early stage, so you might be helpful to learn different words. So for this I have a rule of AU, that is a u. So it sounds like ow. For example, we have in German bauen, which meaning is to build. Next one is loud, meaning is loud. Next one is auto, meaning is car. So I repeat, bauen, loud, auto. So you see this sound like ow. Bauen, loud, auto. Next one is if we have a combination of a, u or omelette a or au. So we sound like oe. That is, you can have it teuer, teuer, expensive. Heute, meaning is today. Heute. Next one is Bäume, Bäume, that is trees. So you can differentiate it, that is au and oe. Theo, heute, Bäume. So you can see that difference in little bit in alphabets, the totally sound is different, and we cannot learn these words without having a proper pronunciation rules. So moving to next. Now if we have any vowels, that is a, e, o, u, order omelette a, au, u with a h sound. So in German, or is referred as order. So from now I will use order instead of or. So what's the sound is this? If we have any vowel followed with a h, we will pronounce it far bit longer. For example, fahren, meaning is to drive. Fahren. Sehr, sehr. Remember, if we have a starting is s, so we will sound like a z. Sehr. And if ending is r, so we end with sehr, meaning is very. Next one is Stuhl, Stuhl, meaning is chair. Now we have another rule for st. So I am moving towards it. Yes guys, as I told you, I have a rule for st. So what is this? If we have st in the beginning of any word, so it sounds like sa, ka, ha, tha. What does it mean? That is studieren, studieren. That is meaning is study. Straße, Straße, that is street. Aufstehen. Aufstehen. Yeah, probably I can understand that you might be confused, like in this word st is not in beginning, but if we break this word, so in German stehen is still have its own meaning, that is to stand. So in this kind of words, which is a combination of two words, st still sound like stay, that is aufstehen. And if we see it separate, so aufstehen means stand up and stehen means to stand. And if we have st in the end, so it's like Obst, meaning is fruits. Fast, it's not have same meaning just like English, but its meaning is almost. Fast, Obst. Kosten. Kosten, meaning is to cost. That $15 or something like that. Kosten. Hope you guys are understanding well, as I have been gathering this notes since last 2 days, and now I am here to share with you guys so that you may help to better understanding. So next one is we have s and pa. If we have s and pa in beginning, so it sound like sa ka ha pa, that is Sprechen. Sprechen. Meaning is to speak. I have made this sentence for you. Ich sprechen Deutsch. Now I have to tell you that here is a word ich. We pronounce it ich, meaning is I. Sprechen, meaning is speak. Deutsch, that is German language, and his pronunciation is Deutsch, which also follows a rule of sch, which I will share you next. So another example of Sapha is Beispiel. Beispiel, meaning is example, and if again it follows same rule which we have already seen in ST, that if we break these words, so in German Spiel means game, so that's why it's called Beispiel. Beispiel. So for now I will not say example, I will say Beispiel. So you better understand, and you have to repeat these words in your daily routine, so you will cope up with this language soon. Now next one is sch, that is sa ka ha, and the example is schreiben. Schreiben, meaning is to write. Schön. Schön, meaning is beautiful. Deutsch. Deutsch, meaning is German. So these are the rules. Now guys, the next one is if we have a, o, u combined with sa and ha, so it sounds like Machin. Machin meaning is to do or to make, and we also can also say that to do, order, make. As you know, in German, or means order, O-D-E-R. Next one is hoch. Hoch meaning is high. Buch. Buch meaning is book. So this is the rule for if we have only a, o, u combined with ka and ha. But the next one is if we have any consonant, I have written is k. Consonant or we have a, e, umlaut o, umlaut a, umlaut eu combined with c and ha. I want to mention here, in German we have three letters with double dots on the top, that is a, o and u, but we say or call them umlaut letters. So for this we have, actually you can see I have cut it 2 times to recognize the sound. So finally I come up with this ish, butcher, busher, ish, busher. Ish means I, busher means books. So guys, you can also tell me in comments that either I am right or wrong. Again, I want to mention it, I am just sharing my experience of grasping German language for you guys, for your better understanding. Next one is CK. If we have ka and kha in together, so it's a bit harder or faster. Backen, to bake. Dreckig, dirty. Dreckig, dirty. So here we will see the another rule combined with CK, that is IG. I will tell you next. And you all, next one is Drucker. Drucker. I have also told you that what we have to do if we have ending with R, it will sound like Drucker, meaning is printer. Now moving to the next. Yes guys, you can see how much I have compiled these rules and how I am learning. So here if we have combination of E and Ga, so it has 2 pronunciation, but for beginners I will recommend, and many other teachers have recommended that it should be sound like ik rather than ish. So it's a for bispiel I will say that Virzik, meaning is 40. Virzik. Oh, I think that it's not 40, it should be 40. Okay. Rightic, that is right. Conic for king. I repeat. Virzik, rightic, conic. So guys, pardon me if I did something wrong, but I am also coping up with these rules, and I'm trying to grab it soon. The next one is tha, a, o, n, sound like Tisha. For Beispiel, we have funktionieren, funktionieren. That is to work, function. Station, 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 station. Next one is position, position. So we have a T before a shan. So I repeat, first one is functionary, functionarian, station, position. Next one is pa and fa. So the sound of pa will be suppressed. It's so puff. So for Beispiel we have Verpflege. Verpflege meaning is to foster or nurse. Preferred. Preferred meaning is horse. Verfund meaning is pound. Apfel meaning is apple. So I think I'm trying to learning these rules. Hope it will also help you guys. There are also two rules if we have double vowels, that is dopple vocale. I repeat, sorry, it's dopple vocale, that is double A, double A, double E. So for Beispiel we have Haare, Haare, that is plural of hairs. Leer, Leer, empty. Boot, Boot for boat. And we have also a rule for double consonant, that is dopple consonante, that is if we have double N or double M, so we can say it should be pronounced shorter and faster, like common, common for to come. Often, often meaning is open. Was it meaning is water. So guys, you can see that for learning these rules we can better understand how to pronounce it, and we can also learn some example, and we have some vocab also by learning this. In the next video I will compile all these words which I have learned from this pronunciations, so it will build my vocab also. Now these are some rules related to sa, ha, is, but these rules definitely not all the rules, so it's just beginning and it's enough for the A1 level, and you might learn some others by the time. So for this it sounds like x, and for bicycle we have a vaccine, that is to grow. Sex, meaning is 6. Yeah, I know it sounds like something weird, but yeah, it's also sex. And the next one is ch, sound like sh, and that is. So guys, for sa and ha, it's have different pronunciations related to different teachers, but the man which I am following, so he say it should be ch, that is shame, Sheena, chef means here boss, Sheena means China, and shame means chemistry. Check-in, that is meaning is check. Chat-in, meaning is to chat on WhatsApp or some other platform. So guys, you may check it and comment it what you have found for the sound of the ch, if it's starting, if it's beginning in any word. So yeah guys, here these are the some tips, and some are tricky maybe. So yeah, for now it's just I will now better understanding of how to pronounce different words. So next I will be aiming to learn some different names, some pronouns, some sort of grammar in German. So hope you guys find it well. Thank you.